The program is designed specifically for students that are looking to start a career in welding. BSC has a great environment. We have an awesome welding lab. We consistently look to improve all of our equipment. I think it just gives them, the opportunity to use really good equipment in a good environment, in a safe environment.
I really like how the shop is set up, and it's a good program to go into if you're looking for good one-on-one and a good learning experience with your teachers.
Depending on what field a student goes into when they leave the program, they can make anywhere from $22 to $27 an hour, starting out entry level. After a few years of experience, they can get anywhere from $36 and above.
I really like being able to see a project put together in my head before I go out and just cut the metal, put it all together, and then have the finished product that you can be proud of afterwards. So.
I think we provide the students that go through this program with the confidence when they leave to know what they are doing is being done the right way, the proper way, to code, so that they can work safe and they understand that you may hold people's lives in your hand and they have to respect that and be prepared for it. And we do that, and I think they come out with all the confidence in the world to achieve their goals when they leave.